For problem 2, you're implementing a sign class. A sign has a string message and an integer width. The width is the number of characters that can appear on each side of the sign, including spaces. For example, this sign on the right here has a width of 11 characters. You also implement a method calculating the number of lines in the sign. Another method you'll implement is being able to return the whole sign message in one string with semicolons separating new lines. For the code for 2, you have your class, the two members, message and width, and a constructor where you initialize your members. For the numberOfLines method, you're getting the length of the message, dividing it by the width of the sign, then finally, you're adding 1 to that result if the length of the message is not evenly divided by the width. For the getLines method, you're immediately returning null if the length of the message is 0, you initialize the string variable, then you iterate over the entire length of the message, adding the character at the current position to your string variable. If the width evenly divides the current position, you add a new line, so you add a semicolon to the string variable. Then, you return your string variable. I normally make content teaching you how to code in Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.